put on the plane. We have paid extra. We're on premium, guys. So here's our situation.
We've got menus.
Big seats, prosecco, and we've got menus. So
we are
not
not used to this life of luxury.
We're gonna react to the menus because we're weird, and you guys know we're obsessed with food. Beautiful. So serve shortly after takeoff. Okay, I'll be waiting. Starter. Quinoa, butternut squash and crumbled feta cheese salad served with russet butter. Okay, I like the bread and butter. I'm liking the sound of it. I like the sound of salad. Mains, hearty chicken casserole. That sounds good. Mustard mash. I might get that one. Are you gonna get that? Yeah. Or a shepherd's pie. Or what I'm gonna get, Thai green vegetable curry with steamed jasmine rice. To me that sounds really good.
You love a Thai curry, don't you?
Thai curry's one of my favourite things.
If that was chicken, I would get that, but I'm gonna get the casserole.
Chocolate orange truffle delight. Then we get afternoon tea. We've got a duo of finger sandwiches, cheddar cheese and pickled and brown bread, egg mayonnaise. Oh wow. Mini patisserie, lemon posset and a walnut carrot cake. We love walnut carrot cake. And warm scones with clotted cream. Okay, we have 5 hours probably. So going too quick. So far this flight. Number 1. We've asked 5 times if the snack bar's open. And it was. So we got naked bars, we got snack bar full. Yeah, guys, it's a free snack bar. I got this salted caramel protein bar. I got this double chocolate chip cookie. I got a salted caramel toffee. I got cookie. And I got a naked bar. Not too shabby. And our meals were amazing. I broke my chair. Thai, your shepherd's pie. Oh yeah, Grace broke the chair.
I broke the chair.
Grace is gonna edit.
I'm in like a productive, I think, because I've had tea and a coffee.
You're ready to go.
I'm in like I need to do something. I can't just sit and watch movies.
I'm deleting pictures.
I'm a bit movied out, I feel like.
I'm watching Bodyguard. So yeah.
Are you watching it?
Yeah.
What do you think so far?
I like it so far. Fun fact, guys, my mum's uncle. Well, my nan's brother.
So your uncle?
Well, is he my uncle?
Great uncle.
My nan's brother.
Is your great uncle?
My great uncle directed Bodyguard.
And Sarah Jessica Parker spoke about podcast recently. And I'm pretty he's an amazing director.
But yeah, now we're just chilling. But we just thought we'd give you guys an update. And I think we should show them the high tea.
Yes.
Okay guys, so we are an hour and 20 out. And our final course has come, which is afternoon tea. Wow.
Oh my god, this is what we booked the flight for.
Yeah, this is literally it, these cakes.
We're on the bridge that's in all of the movies.
We're on the iconic bridge.
Look at the sunset. I'm gonna have a breakdown. I can't believe it.
We're on the iconic
concrete jungle where dreams are made of.
Okay guys, so you know we said we weren't hungry. We found a diner.
We come to a diner and now we're hungry.
So we've got a grilled cheese and we've got some chips. We'll show you it when we go outside, but it's the cutest diner. We're coming back for breakfast, guys. We're coming back, boo.
We're back.
It's up to you, New York, New York.
We're so annoying. Look at our view of our hotel.
Wow.
Okay, so we've woke up. It's
our room looks
9:30.
like a bomb's gone off.
But we're ready to go out and seize the day and see New York.
We're ready, boo.
We're absolutely ready.
We want to show you our outfits.
So, never looked more opposite.
Oh my god, tripod?
Oh my god.
Tripod alert.
DIY.
You can't really see our outfits though.
We've never looked more opposite. I might undo this top.
No, we literally look like we don't know each other.
Like, we've never looked more opposite.
Okay. Here's Grace's outfit.
It's like a
Where's
white
it from?
set from this Danish brand called Custom Made, and I've got boots from them as well. They're so nice.
I've got a little yellow Jelly London set. You guys will see it all popular on our Instagram.
Yes, and TikTok and stuff.
We're just so excited to like get going.
We
get
can't
out.
believe we're here.
I know, it's not going to feel real, I feel like, until we see like
It's
people
not sunk
having it.
in.
Because we've not seen it in the day.
Yeah,
We're in New York.
we're in the street.
We're in the city.
We like the city.
We can't believe we're here,
No,
guys.
it's not really. But it has sunk in, I think.
It has sunk in because
Last night it didn't sink in, but tonight it has sunk in.
like, guys, look at this view.
You know what? I expected it to be a lot busier, but I think it is
Grace
only
says
11
this,
o'clock.
but once we go to the Rockefeller Centre
I did think it'd be like
mayhem.
You know how like Oxford Street's like packed? I can't believe we're here.
I know, guys, we're so excited. But yeah, we're just walking around really, getting the vibes. View.
So here's Dior. Got Dior, the taxi cab, but the most like, I think the most New York street feel in this one, I got the photos on first.
Fifth Avenue.
Fifth Avenue.
We're currently on Madison Avenue.
That's the most I felt like New York.
Yeah, once we go to the Rockefeller Centre as well, that's very New York. Little bagel stop. And we've got a blueberry muffin.
I don't know if this is cream cheese or something.
Yeah, it looks like cream cheese. But no, it's melting like butter. I think that's butter.
Okay.
Okay guys, we're going out, we're rushing a little bit.
Going for dinner.
We're going to Cipriani.
Should we show our looks?
Yeah.
I've got this dress on, which is from Beige.
Is it?
Yes,
I didn't know it was Mage. I'm wearing also a sparkly dress, which is from Revolve. And we're really excited. We're so hungry. Guys, we're at Cipriani's.
Cipriani downtown.
We're outside, which is a bit crazy. But, wow. Guys,
Desperate levels. This is amazing. I'm coming back.
we should be in the club right now. Instead, we're in Cipriani because we've made friends.
There's a club upstairs called Socialista,
which is a private members club, and we're going to try and
we're
sneak
gonna
our way
go.
in.
Because the waiter likes us.
It's Sunday. We're very hungover,
And we've come to our favourite diner.
Grace is getting French
I'm trying
toast.
French toast for the first time ever.
She's never had it.
So I do a reaction.
Yeah, I've got like whatever this is, which is called grits, and I've got scrambled egg on toast. You can't not like it.
It's like fried only bread.
It's really fluffy, isn't it? And like the more inside you get, the more jammy it is.
That's a bit mean. It's so good. So we've come out just for a walk, hungover walk.
We're just in
Need some
our
fresh air. We're feeling comfy and cozy.
We're trying to plan our day a bit, and we've decided we're going to head to Times Square tonight. Because, I mean, you have to see it.
I've never seen it, and we're gonna get pizza and just have like a nice,
Get some Joe's pizza.
kind of chilled night.
Yeah.
Not really chilled, kind of chilled because we need to get those pictures.
Yeah.
But
We've got a lot of content to shoot
yeah,
in the room because we've got really cool views you guys see. But we've
we're
just
gonna shoot
announced
in
to
the
you
room.
guys that
Yes.
we're here.
and I feel like people, I think it was kind of expected.
Yeah, I
But
feel like
I
people
hope-
knew we were coming to New York, but I think
hope
people are
everyone's
excited.
Yeah.
Guys, it's so funny, right? So I posted my, obviously I've got no eyebrows, and someone put "you look sick," so I deleted it thinking they meant like I looks like I'm like ill, but I think they actually meant it like, in a nice way. But I've deleted the comment.
Like sick as in like,
Sick.
like
You look
yeah,
sick.
you look sick, like you look.
So apologies to whoever that person is. Hope I've not offended you by deleting
And
the
then
comment.
Mabel messaged you after and be like, dye them back.
Yeah, she's like down the back immediately. Guys, don't worry, they're going to be back I think on Tuesday. Because I'm not going on a date
We
with
might
no
be going on
eyebrows.
dates, so
We've got lots of double dates
We've got a
planned,
couple.
guys. Lots. Karen Horney's clinic.
unfortunate surname.
Unfortunate. Okay, guys. Well, we'll see you in a bit.
So we actually forgot to vlog it, but we just had a Joe's pizza, like the iconic pizza slices.
It was huge. Oh, there's that woman right there.
That's awkward. Yes, we've had like the big, you know, you would know they're like
They're iconic. Like Khloe Kardashian got these.
And we are at the Times Square one.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go look at Times Square now. We'll vlog that, but let's make sure we vlog that.
Yeah, because we keep forgetting to vlog.
Yeah.
Times Square, baby.
Times Square. Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! We're dressed up.
We're dressed up. Can you guess what we're dressed up as?
I mean, it's kind of obvious.
Can you guess?
We're going to the Met Steps. Hint.
Hint, hint, hint. Not the red tights.
This is like the most all out we've ever gone for a Halloween look, I think.
And it's in public as well, which is
And
just
like, but we had to do it.
We're here.
We're in New York. We are like 10 minutes away from the Met Steps.
You really expected us not
Like,
to do it.
we are going to be there in Serena, and we're going to be making all sorts of TikToks.
And we're going to be running around, and I've even filled my eyebrows in for
Yeah,
this.
she's not bold anymore
Because
at the brow.
I was like, oh no, I'm just going to do my normal brow. And then I read comments of other people's blurring Serenas. I thought, I know I'm going to get dragged. Like, I feel like we're going to get dragged anyway.
I think we're going to get dragged for people
Yeah.
saying like, oh, they think they're Blair and Serena. Well,
No,
yeah.
people are going to be like,
Do you know what, yeah.
now, Blaine. Just let us live.
Do you know what, let us live our lives, and
We've made the
haters,
effort.
they hate him. We've made so much effort.
Guys, we brought these from England. Like,
yes, we've copied picture for picture.
We could have just done a school uniform.
Yeah, exactly. We could have just gone basic, but we've gone all out with the red tights and the knee-high socks and the sparkly vest.
So you're gonna head to the Met.
Yes, we'll film at the Met as well.
So go to our TikTok and see our Instagrams.
Yes.
Not our Instagrams, our TikToks.
Guys, no words.
No words. We're back at Ritz Diner.
I thought it was
Chicken soup. Instead, and she ordered a bagel. They've given her bacon.
You know what? I'll just put the bacon in the bagel.
Yeah. I've got a wrap. But last time at our favourite place, guys. And then we're gone.
We might come back.
Yeah, we probably will when we're hungover.
So we checked in to the apartment because we've been so stressed. There was no lift. We had to drag our suitcases.
I had 3 suitcases.
And we had to drag them up the stairs.
It was intense, but we're here.
We've made it.
And we're going grocery shopping first time. Although we're not really eating
We
a
don't
lot.
know what
It's
to
Grace's
buy.
birthday week,
so like we're going
out
out.
a lot. We're eating out a lot.
We're going out Wednesday night and then Friday night and Saturday night.
But probably lunches. We'll need like lunches.
Yeah, we'll need like
So-
we'll need some stuff in the house. So
we're gonna head to Bristol,
and we'll show you what we buy, and we'll also show you our apartment
once we get there.
It's really cute. It's very small.
It's tiny, but it's very Carrie Bradshaw.
It's cozy. I think it's cozy. Do
It's
you?
definitely cozy. Fucking
So we'll do a tour
It's like
when
a shoe box.
when we get there. Shoe box. We're shopping. It's so exciting. But look at all the cereals. Very expensive. Very
Guys, we're not even
expensive.
allowing ourselves cheese.
Like we're not allowed cheese. We're just having like pasta sauce. But how fun is the cereal? Hello, we're back at the apartment, and first and foremost, most importantly, we're gonna try some pumpkin pie because we've never tried it before, and I feel like it's such an American.
It's either going to be a love or a hate.
It's an American fall dish. Thank you. That Diet Coke's like crack.
Guys, I think I'm going to hate this.
I think it's going to taste like cinnamon. Tastes a bit like cheesecake.
That's actually really nice. That's pleasantly surprising.
It tastes like cheesecake. It's quite
Next
good.
week.
We'll get that next week because you get like half.
Every week we have to get one
try
thing
something
American that we can't get at home.
Yes.
Could be a cereal, could be a chocolate bar, could be a
Something
pie.
fun, a treat.
Okay? You heard that,
And it
Bob.
has to be different.
Well,
That's a 10 out of 10 from us.
now
Catch us next week.
we're unpacking.
We have one wardrobe.
But yeah, guys, we're going to unpack and then we'll give you a little bit of an apartment tour.
Yes.
Here's a sneak peek.
Sneak peek of the apartment. It's very cozy.
It's very Carrie Bradshaw.
Yeah.
The girls are back in
We're
town.
going out, boo.
We're going out. We don't even really want to go out because it's like, we're kind of knackered.
No, it's like a Monday,
but it's Halloween.
exactly.
So we just want to see what the vibe is. We're kind of looking cute, so...
Yeah, we're kind of gone for like, we're not really taking pictures.
No.
So we're kind of just gone for like
chilled.
a chilled vibe.
We're like every other girl's vibes.
Yes.
But yeah, we'll vlog when we get there. See you.
We're out. We're out and about. Oh my god, my hair looks like I've been dragged for a bit.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To Halloween.
Halloween.
And to our first night in our apartment.
Hey.
Hey.
We're going to take some photos.
It's the next day. It's Tuesday.
First morning waking up in the apartment. We've had quite a, I feel like I've been up for hours.
Grace been up since 4:30. I've been up since 5:30 because
We're still jet lagged apparently.
it was number one, yeah, and also it was like chucking it down with the rain, which
I think
woke
that
me
woke
up.
us up, and then obviously the jet lag has just, we're gonna be tired later.
Well, we're not doing anything
Wake up,
tonight.
bitches.
Wake up.
So we have another day confirmed for Sunday. We're going to talk about this on the podcast. We're going to carry on the podcast, but on YouTube, and you'll see our faces of us speaking about it on,
Yeah,
on a YouTube
it's going to be called Live from New York.
Live from New York. So every week we're going to like update you on our dating experiences, and
So the podcast is coming back,
It's
just
coming
not
back
on Spotify, on
a different
YouTube.
platform. Because
Different
I feel like YouTube's where we began, and I feel like whenever we would upload a podcast, like snippets of it, they'd be like, can you not just put the whole thing on here?
So that's what we're doing.
So that's what we're going to do.
But yeah, we're going to head out and go and get some Instas, and then we're going to come back and do a little Central Park walk.
We also have some errands to run.
We also have errands to run.
That.
We need to buy waffles.
Waffles.
And we need to get hangers. So yeah, everything's actually quite mature that we need. But yeah, we're gonna head out now. We're out in New York City. We're getting some pics.
We always do.
Discovered that over there is Ralph's Coffee. So we're gonna go there tomorrow with a really nice girl we've met on our travels.
We've told her that's our plan.
Actually, yeah, we've not actually told her yet, but there's Ralph's.
Good find.
Good find. We're ready for a hot girl walk.
And we're gonna go get a cookie as well.
These like really good. What's it
They're
called,
really
Grace?
famous. It's called Levain. On TikTok, they've gone viral. They're like really chunky cookies.
So we're gonna get one
gooey.
and bring it to Central Park.
We'll go
and
for a
sit
walk
down
with it.
and eat it, and then go for a walk.
Yeah.
Look, we're just in gym outfit.
Yeah, we're feeling really like local. Like we look like locals today.
We do. Our little gym gear.
Like we really fit in here.
But yeah, we'll see you guys in Central Park. Cookie secured. We got one cookie and one banana loaf.
Because we couldn't decide and we were like
Half and half.
moment.
Because we like the same thing.
Yeah, I don't know why we didn't think of that sooner, to be honest.
I know. Guys, this cookie is so heavy.
Oh, I
this
can't
is
wait
where
to
it's
try
from,
it.
guys. So we're gonna show you them when we open
We're gonna
them.
take them to Central Park.
So we're gonna walk there now. Guys, we're in Central Park.
We've got our cookies.
We're just so pleased with ourselves.
This is what we've like dreamed of. I feel like every single movie scene
happens in
here.
Central Park. So we're gonna sit here and eat our
Enjoy our
cookies.
cookies, and then we're gonna make a bucket list for New York.
Yeah, we want to get done, and then we're gonna have a little walk round. Central Park
We
looking
feel like movie
cute.
characters.
We really do. How stunning it is, guys. It's bigger than I remember, to be honest, because I feel like I only did like 1 centimetre of it, you know?
Oh, did you? Did you just pop in? And
Yeah. Because when you're only here for a week, you're not really going to go for a big walk.
Go for like a long stroll.
You've got things to do.
I
I think we should go down.
Yeah, okay.
Looks more autumny.
I love these stools. Look at all the ice creams. It was hot.
Oh,
We have a field
guys,
day.
we've done a bucket list, and one of them is to get a pretzel, a hot
Most of the
pretzel.
bucket list involves food.
You guys know us.
I'm gonna get real. Most of the bucket
Yeah.
cheese pretzel.
That sounds nice. And hot
Or a hot
pretzel.
dog.
Snow
I
cone.
love that. Those cookie ice creams.
Looks good. Ah, movie night.
We're watching How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days.
A New York classic.
Oh.
I want that dress.
You'd think a brand would have released a dress similar.
Yeah, because it's like one of the most iconic. But guys, we had some beans on toast.
Oh, it was good. We found beans in an American supermarket.
So that's-
Heinz beans.
That's going to be our staple
That's
now.
going to be what we keep going back for.
And guys, I've dyed my eyebrows back and they're really dark.
I don't think they're that dark, Grace. I think they look the same.
Maybe it's just, yeah, shock.
I think you're just not used to them.
But they're back.
back.
So everyone that hated them can move on. But yeah, we'll just watch a little film night. Okay guys, we never filmed an outro because that's typical us. But I hope you guys enjoyed the week 1 vlog in New York. Get ready for a lot more weeks and a lot more videos. We have a lot coming to you guys, and we'll see you guys next one. Bye.